What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin. It's another Wednesday. That means Worm Wednesday. Let's check out this bin. Okay, first look. Lots of sprouts. My coffee filter is actually moved from the sprouts. So I'll start by picking them. Check that out. The potato started, it had a sprout in it and looks like it's starting to get some eyes, so it might actually start sprouting too. Time to check on where the pepper was. Wow. Just the skin. I did leave their seeds in there, so they may start sprouting too. The banana peel. It doesn't look like they really mess with this too much. Oh. A little toilet paper hotel form. Drop that back in there. Kind of leave this in the center. So this is kind of cool. That's the worm's clitellum. That's where the cocoons and the eggs come from. So, yeah. See, there's another one. So these guys are doing a great job of breeding and, you know, making new young worms, so I'm very happy with that. So unfortunately they didn't do a great job with the bananas the other time, but that's what they got this time. So some bananas. I'm gonna give everybody a little moisture. Eggshells for grit. I'm gonna cover this now. That's gonna mark where the last feeding was, and I'm actually gonna even kind of put a little grit over the whole bed, just so. A lot of times they don't just congregate where the food is. There's other things that they can eat and get into, so I like to add a little grit to the whole bin every now and again. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, let me know how everything's going. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.